I kind of doubt this. Anderson has another fight. Buckle up Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch. Cat Sunset Halloween shirt on his deal after this. And he gets paid so much money that I can't see him turning it down if he's healthy. I feel like this is Dana pushing him to retire so he doesn't have to pay him $800K to show another time. Lol. I will believe this when Silva himself acknowledges this as his last fight. Watch Uriah. Buckle up Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch. Cat Sunset Halloween shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. I remember after Anderson lost to Weidman, he announced he signed like a 10-fight deal and everyone thought there was a way he would fight that many more times at 40, but he pretty much did. Should have retired against GSP when he returned at middleweight. Would have been a hell of a buckle up Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch. Cat Sunset Halloween shirt, way to finish both their careers. When if it was a few years too late. So this year I have witnessed the retirements of Joe Duffy, Lil Nog, Daniel Cormier, and now I will witness the other product.